In this video, we will walk through the process of creating and editing a page in AveStream step by step. To add a new page, we start in the Sitemap area. Think of this as your website's blueprint. It shows you how all the pages are organized. You can see the same structure on your web page by clicking the Show Site button. When you click a menu item, you will see its settings on the right side. To add a new menu item, click the Add button. The new item appears at the bottom of the list and is automatically selected. We will name the new menu Books. Notice that the route is automatically generated, but you can change this later. Let's create the content for our new page. We will use a dynamic page. After we click the Select button, we will get a list of existing pages. Since we need a new one, we click the Create New Page button. Here, we can give our new page a title and add content text to it. The new page is now linked to our new menu item. To make the menu item appear on the website, we have to check the visibility checkbox. With the Show button, we can show our menu item on the website. To add an icon to the menu, go to Font Awesome. Copy the icon by clicking on the HTML and paste it into the icon field. The system will automatically extract the necessary class name. As you can see, the new menu item has a book icon now. We can change the position of our menu item by drag it to the desired position. Okay, time to customize our new page. To edit our new page, we navigate to the Page section. Because we created this page last, we will find it at the top of the list. To edit the page, we need to click the Edit action. Let's add a header image. We can choose an image from your library or upload a new one. This header image will be automatically resized for different uses, including previews, menus, and the main header on the page itself. With a click on the Choose button, the File Manager will be opened. The File Manager has two sections: folders on the left and folder contents on the right. For this video, we will create a new folder called Demo. To upload an image, select it from your local folder. You can also upload multiple files at once. Switch to Grid View for image previews. For the Books page, we choose this image that will do it. AveStream uses a modular approach to build articles. We use a list of content elements to create visually engaging pages. We can manage all content elements of this page in the Article Content area. Time to add some visuals. We're going to add an image content element. In the Images section, we choose the images we want. With the Add button, we can select or upload new images. Position and alignment controls the placement of the images inside the content element. Area size controls the available width for images. A setting of 3 of 12 means the image will take up 25% of the available space. Number of columns defines how many columns the images span. We leave it at 1 because we only selected one image. Check Enlarge on click to enable image enlargement. Many content elements include a simple text editor. This editor offers limited formatting options, to maintain consistent site design. The next element we will add is a video content element. We paste a YouTube or Rumble link into the video field. The video information will appear after a short while. We set the position as above center and the video size to 8 of 12. This will center the video and make it 2/3 of the page width. To complete our page, we will add a records content element, which allows us to append existing articles to our page. This is a convenient way to reuse content without having to recreate it. We can select multiple articles to display here. We will choose the article named Page Bottom to add it to the end of the page. Now, when we view the page, we see the selected content appended at the bottom. That's all for today. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on future content.